y'all can hear the difference. It's a whole different game. Like, now we have melody to go with the beauty. So welcome back to the channel, y'all. Back here with another quick video, and I just wanted to let y'all know what's been going on. I don't know if you follow me on IG. I did put out a short about this, but I did install the full exhaust a couple weeks ago, and I finally got around to getting the bike tuned and dyno. And it made such a difference. Not only am I getting better throttle response, you can feel more torque, horsepower went up, and overall it's just a different bike. So if y'all been subscribed for a while, you know that for me the bike was fast enough. It always was fast enough, but I wanted the soundtrack to go with the bike. It was a little bit too quiet for me even after putting on my slip-on, so I wanted to get some roar. So just a little taste of what it sounds like. So I wanted to get some roar to it, so I kept the Leo Vinci slip-on, but what I did was I added a Black Widow full exhaust system, and I did do a video on that, the process installing it. It wasn't that difficult, but I knew that once I got the full exhaust installed, I was gonna need holy shit, hopefully everybody all right. Fender bender. But I wanted to just make sure that I got it tuned properly. Was running a little bit rich, I know, and I just wanted to make sure that the bike was still in optimal peak performance. So yes, I gained some horsepower. Yes, I definitely feel the difference. Just acceleration, I can feel it. But I wanted to just make sure the bike was good, and I wanted to keep the sound. Don't do it. Wanted to just make sure the sound is good. So as far as the numbers, I'll flash it up right now. I think it went from 118 to roughly 126, and I'll flash the dyno chart. But they did a good job just getting it. They did have some issues initially, just because this is such a new ECU, so they had some difficulty, setbacks getting it flashed, but they were able to get it done. So if you're in Central Florida, I'll go ahead and flash the shop that did it for me. Definitely recommend them if you're trying to get anything performance done on your bike. So y'all stay tuned to the channel. Next video I'm gonna do is I wanted to show you guys all the upgrades that I did on this bike so far. Let's go, baby.